Hi Stampers, I'm Nancy Novak from Stamp and Shout. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator or creative coach. Those are the words that I like to use. And welcome back. Today is day 4 of our Joy of Noel series. So every week I pick a Stampin' Up! Product, and this week it's the Joy of Noel stamps and coordinating die set. And then I make 5 projects and I share them with you every day at noon. So if you're new, go ahead and subscribe and click that notification bell and share with your crafty friends. And of course, leave comments and ask questions because I am here to help you out. So today, this is the card we're going to make. So we're going to make a wreath, and we're going to cut out the letters. We're going to stamp and cut out the letters. And got that pretty background of the just exposed brick textured folder back there. So let me bring in the supplies. We're going to put this on a piece of real red cardstock that is 11 by 4 1/4. And I have a couple of pieces for the inside and white stamping pieces, and same thing for the outside. I have a scrap to stamp our floral images, and then we're going to color them in. I have a scrap of designer series paper. This is actually shaded spruce, and it's really, really pretty. It's probably hard to see, but it's really cute designer series paper. And then I have a scrap of white that we're going to stamp the letters on. And then I have a piece of adhesive. It's an adhesive sheet. So it's like a dimensional, but it comes in sheets. And we're going to put that on our letters to pop them up and make them more sturdy. So I'm going to do this last. Yesterday I did it too soon and all the sticky came off and I wasn't ready to use it. So I'm going to do this when we're ready to apply it to our card. But we have some stamping to do with our floral spray here, and I'm going to do it in Memento ink. So I'm going to do 3 of them. So now I'm going to color these in with some stamping blends, and let's see, I have Granny Apple Green, Dark Old Olive, and I think I'm going to use Dark Real Red. And that's just to start with. So I'm going to color in all these little images. I'm going to switch to light Real Red. I'm going to color the holly with light shaded spruce. And light old olive. And I think I'll do the pines in dark old olive. Okay, now I'm going to bring in the smallest floral die, and I'm going to go ahead and cut out those 3 images, and I'm also going to cut out the sprig, the little pine sprig. Okay, so we have our 3 floral pieces and our little sprig, our little pine sprig here. A couple pieces to break away. And we have one other little thing to stamp, and then we can put everything together. So I'm going to bring in the Joyous stamp, and I'm going to stamp that in shaded spruce. And this I'm just going to fussy cut. And we have one other thing to stamp, and that is our letters. I'm going to stamp that in shaded spruce. Now I'm going to bring in the adhesive strip or sheet, and I'm going to peel off one side and expose the sticky. And then I'm going to go ahead and lay our white piece down and bring the die in, and I'm going to go ahead and cut these letters out. And I'll be right back. Okay, so when I'm ready, I'm going to break that away and we're going to put it on our card. But we can go ahead and put some of the pieces together right now. So on the front, I have 2 white pieces. I'm going to glue those 2 pieces together and glue them to the front of the card. And then this, now I want to mention that this has been embossed with the exposed brick embossing folder. I thought that would be cute with the wreath hanging on the wall like that. And then this piece is going to go right at the bottom. That's our designer series paper. And I'm going to bring our inside pieces and stamp that really quick before we put our wreath together. So I'm going to stamp in Shaded Spruce, and I'm going to stamp Making Spirits Bright. Now I'm just going to glue all these pieces to the inside of our card. Okay, so for the wreath, I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of our 3 pieces here. Now I'm going to remove the backing off the dimensionals and expose the sticky and lay down our wreath. Just like that. And now this sprig, I'm going to cut it in half. Let me see here. Yeah, I don't want the whole sprig. I just want half on each side. So I'm going to glue that down. And then our Joyous is going to go right in the middle, and I'm going to glue that down. Okay, now we're going to take our letters and break them away and stick them to the front of our card. So we basically made little stickers, but they're on the foam adhesive, so they're popped up. Okay, just like that. Isn't that pretty? I love it. It really is pretty in person. So that's today's card. We made a wreath. So basically, let's see. I think we have to do something with this image tomorrow because we haven't used that one yet. So I'll see what I can come up with. Come back tomorrow at noon. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. I'd appreciate it. See you tomorrow at noon. Don't be shy. Stamp and shout.